Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I want to do a video about staying motivated. So we've had a tremendous amount of new subscribers here, and probably 10% of the viewers are new subscribers. So I want to talk about motivation, how to stay motivated. So let's just look at this. So I had been doing Python for 4 years when I decided to start the channel. So let's look how awesome I did. I came out of the gate strong. First day, 1 video, 2 videos, I think 3 videos, then another video, and then I started going, I think, weekly. Then I came back and I did 2 more. Then the next week, a couple. But I keep reminding myself that I went through and I then just stopped. And then I came back and I got into a groove and I started doing weekly videos. And I realized that that wasn't going to do it. So what I want to talk about is, if you're trying to do something, you gotta love it. And if you don't love it, you need to at least respect it or have passion. But what I want to talk about is just show up. If you just show up, that solves so much of the issue. So if it's not programming you're trying to learn, if there's something else, but if there's something that you're showing up to, that's what you love. But what I really want to, something that was going around maybe about 10-15 years ago, it was showing how much time and energy to become an expert. What it is an expert, at what level. It's an experience, it's a time. So it got analyzed, but 10,000 hours. I want you to think about that. 10,000 hours. So if you spend 40 hours a week on something, that's 250 weeks, and that ends up being almost 5 years. So that's what I want you to think about. Everybody wants to sit down and when can I be? You can't rush this. You can speed it along. You can, but how much time do you have? That's what I want you to think about. It's kind of like a salesperson. A salesperson knows that they have to sift through 7 people before they're going to find one person who's actually interested. And it's a numbers game. So if you want to do something and you want to get better at something, be relentless, be passionate, show up. Just show up. It's effort, it's patience, it's perseverance. I know these things are all words, but showing up and trying. Effort covers a lot of things. I'm not the smartest, I'm not the fastest, but I'll tell you what, I'm going to show up every day and I'm going to care more than the next guy. That solves so many problems. That's what I want you to think about. So show up, sit down at the computer, try something. I didn't tell you because I don't have any proof of that, but I had to try, and I started learning Python probably 3 times. The way I remember 3 times is because I changed computers 3 times. That's kind of the way I remember it. And I got stuck, but then that was when I really knew that I needed to find something that was going to keep me motivated. So I started volunteering and teaching at the schools. That got me a little bit more motivated. Then I did that for 2 years, and then I decided that I really wanted to put this out there, and I wanted to create something that, if I was starting over, what would I want the YouTube channel to look like? And then that's this, and then it's morphed into other opportunities, and just, it's wonderful. But you got to care about it, and you got to show up. Solves so much of the problems. So just wanted to keep you guys motivated today. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.